In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini and Veo 3 for free, showcasing a mesmerizing experience of skateboarding on water. Whether you're looking to create stunning visual content or just explore innovative platforms, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight into the steps and unlock the magic together. First, we'll head over to Google, the gateway to almost anything you need online. Open your preferred browser and navigate to Google's homepage. Once you're there, go to the search bar and type in Google Gemini. This will initiate a search, and you'll see a list of results related to Gemini, Google's innovative content creation platform. What we're doing here is setting up the stage to access an exciting new tool that will help us creatively express ideas. Next, you'll want to click on the official Google Gemini website link from the search results. This website is the heart of where you'll begin your creative journey. Once on the site, you'll notice several options and features ready to be explored. Look for the Create Video button. It's usually prominently displayed to guide you towards starting a new project. Clicking this will open up the creative interface where you can let your imagination run wild. Now it's time for the fun part, crafting your prompt. What you'll do is think of a scene or a concept that you want to visualize. For our exercise, let's capture a dreamlike cinematic fantasy of a man skateboarding barefoot across liquid golden sand at sunset, leaving shimmering trails of light as he glides through a serene, magical beachscape. This prompt sets the narrative and visual style for the video you're about to create. Think of it as your blueprint, communicating the essence of your idea to the platform. After you've composed your prompt, the next step is straightforward. Find the Submit button and give it a click. This action sends your idea into the system to be processed. The intuitive technology at play will then work its magic, translating your words and creative vision into a stunning visual experience. That's it, friends. By following these steps, you've unlocked the tools to create a captivating visual narrative for free using Google Gemini and Veo 3. Don't hesitate to experiment with different prompts and ideas, as this platform provides endless opportunities for creativity. Remember to explore, enjoy, and most importantly, have fun while you bring your fantastical ideas to life. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips on how to harness the power of technology for creativity. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create.